Question number 3. To find out first to draw the structure like that. This one. This is the point A. This one is the point B. This one point C. This one D. And the resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4 equal to 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm. And question is find the current through CD. ये करंट आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, तो इसको आप किरचॉफ लॉ भी यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग इसको सिंपली जब इस तरह से वायर से कनेक्ट किया हुआ है तो इस दोनों को पहले आप देखिए क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इसको पैरेलल में पहले कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं। एक इसका इक्विवेलेंट ड्रॉ कर दीजिएगा इस तरह से। This one, and total equivalent resistance equal to 1 ohm and 3 ohm taken as the parallel, and next parallel circuit 2 ohm and 4 ohm and now added with the series. So total resistance to find out first, this is the R equivalent equal to 1 into 3, 1 plus 3, and from this side plus 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4 equal to 3 by 4 plus 8 by 6, and hence R equivalent equal to 3 by 4 plus 4 by 3 equal to 12 by 4, 9 plus 16, and therefore R equivalent equal to 25 by 12 ohm. And now a cell is connected like that of 25 volt. So the net current now using Ohm's law, V equal to I into R equivalent, 25 equal to 25 by 12 into, and therefore R equivalent equal to 12 ohm. Sorry. V equal to 25, I into R equivalent 25 by 12, and therefore I equal to 12 ampere. So there is the current IA. Now it is divided into the two parts. So the potential across this equal to I1 R1 and I2 R2, or otherwise the potential across this. So potential difference across this point VAC or VD, V equal to, और V1 assume कर लेते हैं, V1 equal to I into this equivalent resistance. So 12 into, and this equivalent resistance in the part 3 by 4, so this one is the 9 volt. And using the 9 volt, there is the current, assume that I1, this one is the current I3. So 9 equal to I1 into R1. So I1 equal to 9 ampere. And using the same volt, and 9 equal to I2 in, I3 into R3, or R3 means 3. So I3 equal to 3 ampere. So this one I1 9, I3 3, and in this part, so the total voltage V equal to V1 plus V2, this one 25, V1 equal to total voltage here, V is equal to total voltage means voltage across this. So voltage across this equal to voltage across this total voltage V equal to 9. Here is the voltage 9. V1 plus V2 means 9 plus V2, and V2 equal to 16 volt. And using the 16 volt, now find out the current here I2 and here I4. So 16 equal to, now 16 equal to current I2 into 2, and therefore I2 equal to 8 ampere. So here is the current 9 ampere, this one is the current I3 3 ampere, this one is current I2 8 ampere, and according to junction rule, the current incoming is equal to outgoing. So this current incoming, this is equal to this plus this one. So 9 minus 8 equal to 1 ampere, and this is the your answer. And 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, so I4 is equal to 4 ampere. So the current through CD I dash equal to I1 minus I2 equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1 ampere. So this is your third question, and last one. ये क्वेश्चन को और सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. इसको विदाउट किरचॉफ लॉ हम लोग यूज कर दिया है. सिंपल इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट को यूज करके ओम्स लॉ को लगाइएगा और इसको आप इस तरह से सॉल्व कीजिए. एकदम डिफरेंट अप्रोच है क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन को स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. देखिए इसको. Question number 4, and here to find out the resistance between A and B. Find the resistance between A and B of given circuit. Find the resistance of the given फिगर. और फिगर देखिए क्या है. स्मॉल आर, कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल आर, कैपिटल आर, small r. This one, this is the point A, and this one is the point B. This one is the point B. And clearly from the figure, this is not the balanced Wheatstone bridge. So there is the need of the Kirchhoff's law. So first of all, you have to distribute the current. So current, total current I, and it is assumed that this one is the current I1 through the resistance R, and this one is the current I minus I1, and using the symmetrical method, so this current is also assumed that here I1, here is the current I minus I1, and the according to junction rule, sum of this current, this minus this is equal to this much, so it is 2I1 minus I. So very easy to distribute the current. And now using the two different loops. So first loop, second loop if needed, and now one of the loop is taken as the here, like this. This one is the third loop. So we have to consider only the first and third. In this loop, there is no any cell, and any one direction is taken as the positive sign. So next one is taken as opposite order is taken in the opposite direction. So there is no need to mention any rules on the direction and specification. If you have to consider this one is the positive, so this one is taken as negative. If this one is taken as the positive, this one is the direction is taken as the negative, that's okay. तो फर्स्ट हम लोग लूप फर्स्ट को यूज करते हैं फ्रॉम लूप 1 एंड I1R plus 2I1 minus I small r, just a minute, and minus I minus I1R equal to 0. This the sign is taken as a negative. And now 2I1, I1, 3I1R minus IR minus I capital R and plus I1R equal to 0. So here I1 and I1. So I1 equal to 3R and plus capital R equal to I R plus R, and this is the equation number 1. And now consider this equation. The current I, this one is the current I, and this is the resistance in the loop 3. So from loop 3, using the E is equal to IR, E is equal to IR equal to V. So here I into R equivalent equal to this E or V equal to IR. R means R equivalent equal to I minus I1 R plus I1 R and I R plus I1 R minus capital R. IR, I1R minus I1R. And this is the equation number 2. I into R equivalent. From 1 and 2, we get. Substituting the value of I1 from this equation and here. So I into R equivalent equal to IR plus I1 equal to I R plus R plus R by 3R plus R, and this term R minus R. Solving this, taken I into R equivalent equal to I. This one is the R plus, and here R square minus R square by 3R plus R. 3R plus R. So R equivalent equal to 3R plus R into R plus R square minus R square by 3R plus R. And now three R plus R square plus R square minus R square 3R plus R. This one is cancelled. R is taken as common. So R plus 3R by 3R plus R are equivalent, and therefore RE or resistance across AB equal to R 3R plus R 3R plus R. That's okay. this is the equivalent resistance of given figure. That's okay. नेक्स्ट क्लास एक बार फिर से मिलते हैं कुछ नए वीडियो के साथ, कुछ नए लेक्चर के साथ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.